Thank you, Bala. Most respected Dr. Kakodkar, Professor Sakarkar, and Sam, a dear friend, although he's so senior to me and so humbled. Treat me as one of your either younger brothers or your son. That is all I seek from all of you. Because my mind takes me back to a moment when I was back from USA for a family visit, and I was sitting with my parents, both in technical sense uneducated because they never had opportunity of school or college education. And fortunately with them was sitting a great friend of theirs who was a greatly learned man who had seen the world. He asked me a question. He asked me, you fly in air from USA, you are earning dollars, you speak English, and you are hardly 28 years of age right now. Your parents, they do not know a word of English. They are simply traveling in sleeper class and rickshaws. They do not understand dollars. Please tell me, young man, who is more successful, you or your parents? I was puzzled. I asked him, sir, please tell me, you have something that you want to tell me. Please tell me. Well, young man, your parents started their life with practically zero in their hand. My father started working, earning when he was 9 years old, away from Rajasthan, deep into Chhattisgarh, in the village. And tell me, young man, that anything that you see and we use, how many days it takes to make? 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 5 day? But when it comes to a human mind, it takes almost 20 years for parents to nurture, to make that person independent in society. So if all that you have, who is it that has made it? I understood. So yes, your whole success that is visible to you and others is not yours, my friend. It is your parents. Now you remember after 30 years, and those 30 years have happened today, with all that you have got as a plus in you, which your parents didn't have, where you are able to take your children to reach to what heights will define whether you are successful or not. These degrees, this income, these dollars are in the account of your parents. Your children's gains will be in your account, and then only you will be able to measure. He said, they are entrepreneurial people, your parents. It is not by chance that they have succeeded to this extent. I thought to my mind that day that it is so surprising that most educated people, they are afraid of becoming entrepreneurs. They are afraid where their salaries will come from, and they end up becoming a small entity in some organization where their talents are highly underutilized. My father always said, I do not understand education, what you are getting. I wanted you all to get educated. But why you guys become scared? Without any education, we are not scared. and we brought you up, and with all this education, we expect that you guys can create a far greater wealth than what we could create, and you are always searching for jobs, afraid. Why so? He was asking me all the time. He said, in Rajasthan, when our guru prepared us with 2 years of education, he said, go beta, दुनिया में कहीं भी जाके अपने पांव पर खड़ा हो सकता है. That is the kind of self-confidence our teachers have nurtured in us. So he always questioned us and always said, घास खाइए मगर नौकरी से जितनी जल्दी है निजात पाइए, क्योंकि society needs entrepreneurs who can create organizations. It is like a train. And entrepreneurs are only not those people who are running businesses. Entrepreneurs are those people who are running large organizations without thinking about, it is not about ownership. It is about taking a new idea and creating and putting your heart and mind and soul into that new idea. So when I go back to 1940s today, I remember that letter that Homi Bhabha wrote to J.R.D. Tata, that sir, Mr. Tata, I have all the expertise, but I do not have that funding which is required to make India independent in technologies such as nuclear and so many more that have come about. Dr. Kakotkar is present here as a legacy of that greatest wealth creation initiative that India has seen in last 60 years. And I am so humbled to be sitting when he asked me to come and sit next to me. I didn't have the courage actually. Padankar sir pushed me that go with sir, he's calling you. So it is deep honor for me to be that Dr. Kakotkar is here. I have only one thing to say, that kindly spare some time to read this book if you have, kindly, because the idea is that relationship, as I see it, relationship between Saraswati and Lakshmi is distorted and lost in this world today. I generally ask this question, that what is the relation between Saraswati and Lakshmi? Most people are not able to answer because they never thought about it earlier, not that they are not capable of. My point is, Saraswati actually is the mother of Lakshmi. Many people who respect Saraswati begin to think that money is the source of problem. How could it be? Money is simply a measure of work that we all do. It is a common denominator to equate a doctor's work with a scientist's work, with a laborer work, so that there is a disciplinary dhaga in the garland that we have. It is that dhaga. The problem is that money is supposed to be the means to reach a destination. It is not supposed to take place of a garland. It is supposed to be the wheel of the vehicle. And we cannot be showing off that I have got so much money, so I am more successful. Actually, possession of money, transfer of money to self does not prove any kind of greatness. It is actually unseen theft of money from the society. I will not go into details of all that. But a correction is required not only for India, for the world at large today. And what is required is greater number of youth who are present. We have a youngest child here, I think about 15 years. I am addressing to her because India is going to be built by her and her colleagues. That you ought to grow your knowledge and try to become an entrepreneur. So like what Sam is talking about, that take any problem and bring your earnings and others' earnings and put behind it as an R&D, and that is the toughest thing that this country has not been doing. Narayan Murthy, when his shares became 10,000 rupees, everybody in the country wanted to buy it. somebody, a press reporter went to him, asked him, sir, what is that you have done that your share is 10,000 rupees? You know what he said? I also do not know. But I can tell you one thing, young friend. When I was searching for that 10 rupees, there was not a single person who wanted to invest on me. Now this is the greatest tragedy this nation is facing, my friends. So take your surplus funds and search for an Narayana Murthy around you. They are all over. They are all over this country. In villages, I see them all the time. And we are creating that group where we see a talent, whether he has a degree or not a degree, but he's got that entrepreneurial side, and we bring the knowledge people around him so that it's the power of that knowledge connected with that entrepreneur, and maybe some funding from some of the people who have surplus funds. Let us not waste money in unnecessary consumptions. These are not proof of success. So that's all I want to say. I've taken rather too much time, and actually we are all here to listen to the wisdom of Sir Kakotkar here. And let me, one thing I want to mention. Now Sir has taken upon a great challenge, that how do we bring reversal of migration? How do we make villages like towns, where we do not waste our time and energy traveling and be in a small place and yet be connected to the world-class work and be connected to the world-class levels in every technology and science, and the concept of silage is taking off. There are private people here. I want to name one gentleman, Baheti ji. He is taking a Harda silage, sir, in Madhya Pradesh. So, I mean, there are things like that Sir himself will talk about. And kindly pardon me, there are many rishis sitting here which many of us know. I am not taking time to talk about them, but because of their love and affection for me, they have all come here. They all have so much conviction and so much knowledge that they all could be talking from here, but I hope that some other time all that will happen. So I take a break from you and thank you all.